Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and here to show you how to fix my old door that's dragging every time it closes. So I got this old door, it's pretty darn heavy, and the hinge is just a little bit loose. Well, it's just a common old school thing. So it happens these screws and the wood got tired after all these years. I've tried tightening up the screws and they're kind of stripped out. You know, they're just short little screws. You take out the short screws, at least two of them, and you put a couple longer, like in this case I'm going to use a drywall screw, that's going to go through the jamb and hit the 2x4. It's going to draw the hinge tight and it's going to hold the door. It's going to pull the door back, and then the bottom of the door won't rub when I close it anymore. Puny little screws that all door hinges come with. Ooh, see that door pull back? When this door draws back, it's going to lift the bottom opposite corner up. Now I can tighten these just a little bit. Now, when I close this door, not only will it not rub, a lot of times the strike bolt from the door handle gets lowered because the door sags and it goes down. So now I tighten up the door, fix an older, loose, dragging door. Just a quick, easy tip from MrHardware.com.